For landscaping businesses that perform regular lawn maintenance, DynaScape's Manage 360 can have you scheduling crews in a more organized and optimized way, making your lawn maintenance operation more profitable. Schedule all your landscaping contracts using Manage 360's contract management system, ensuring no customers ever miss for lawn care, snow removal, or any service you offer. See an entire calendar of jobs you have upcoming to ensure you have the proper crews ready to take on every job. When scheduling, create optimized routes for your crews to take that reduces the drive time between jobs. Manage 360's dynamic route builder will keep your crews working more and driving less, reducing travel expenses while increasing availability of your crews to take on emergency and additional jobs that come in. For accurate time recording and real-time job tracking, give your crew leaders the DynaScape Crew Tracking mobile app. Remove paper timesheets and make it easy to move crew members in and out of crews, but still keep track of the time they put in despite what crew they're on. By using the mobile app, you can reduce paper logging and ensure each member of your crew has their hours tracked automatically. DynaScape's Manage 360 is a complete landscaping scheduling software solution that will have you making smarter scheduling choices that lead to more profitability in your business. Execute scheduling and route optimization by removing the guesswork of manual scheduling with DynaScape's full suite of scheduling software tools. See why DynaScape is helping more lawn maintenance businesses scale their organizations by visiting DynaScape.com or contact us to learn more.